Okay, so, oh, my sound is off. There we go. Okay, so hey everybody, I'm here to help you with solving linear systems. We only had 2 problems today. I know a lot of people have finished, but I also know that a lot of us were really struggling with this. So I want to make sure that I have a video kind of walking through the process. Okay, so first off, we have these 2 equations, and we need to graph them on this set of axes and find out where they're going to cross each other. We're looking for a solution, one single point that will work for both this line and this line. So the way that we start is we always start by looking at the y-intercept. So looking just at the first equation, just at the y-intercept, we see that it is -2. So that's where we're going to start our graph, right here at -2. And we'll just put a point there. Okay, I can move my line around. This doesn't mean anything. This is just all the different directions it can go now. Now, what is my slope? My slope, there's nothing written here. Remember, the slope is right before the x. It's invisible. But whenever there's no number there, whenever it's invisible, then that means there's one number that always fits. It's that invisible 1. So we know the slope here is 1. There's 1x here. So because it's a positive 1, we're going to go from our point that we made, we're going to go up 1 and over 1. And now this is our line for this equation. Now we have the next one. Where do we start this? Start by looking at our y-intercept, which is at a +6. Remember, we're always looking at the numbers on the y line. And +6 is right here. Not -6, but +6. Now let's look in front of the x. First I see it's negative, so I know I'm going to go down this time. And I'm going to go down how many? 1 time. So from my point, down 1, and then I'm going to go over 3. Now be careful with this. I saw a lot of people going this way. We don't go this way. We always go to the right. So down 1 and over 1, 2, 3. And I put my point. Now, I'm going to make this bigger so I can see it because I'm blind. Right here, we're only looking where these 2 green lines cross. So that's right here. So what is the name of this point? I'm going to look down. I see the x, which is a 6, and the y, which is a 4. So my answer is 6, 4. Okay, because now we're back to where we were yesterday, right? So let's scroll down, and in parentheses, I will write 6, 4. I don't like the way that looks. I'm going to put a space there because it makes me happy. What on earth? There we go. 6. Oh, it doesn't let me. Cool. 6, 4. Okay, and I'm going to submit my answer. There we go. It is correct. Okay, we only get to do one more, so we'll go a little bit faster this time. First, we're going to look at the y-intercept at -2, and then we'll look at the slope. 1 over 3, and it's positive, so I know I'm going to go up. So up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Done. Now the next one. -6. All the way down here. -6. Oh, no, there's an invisible number, remember? Invisible number 1, but it's a -1 now, so I have to go down 1. Here's my dot. Down 1 over 1. There we go. And then my point is at up to -3 over to -3. So let's type that in. Parentheses, -3, comma, -3. Parentheses. All right, that's it. The assignment is done. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and hopefully the next step won't be too difficult. All right, great job.